there, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my subscribers and my new ones. It's always a pleasure to have you. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Today's video is a tag video. I was tagged by Shaunzworld. It is a spring tag. It's all about spring, what I like about spring, and what I do for spring and things like that. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So the first question is your favorite spring nail polish. I do not have like a particular nail polish that I wear for spring. I am more of a neutral person. I really like pastel colors, you know, like light pinks, light nudie colors. I'm not really a flamboyant person when it comes to nail polish. I will admire them on other people's fingers, but as far as me, my nails are just pretty much on the neutral side. Right now they are in dire need of, you know, some type of coating, but I pretty much just wear the same colors all year round. So the next question is, what is your must-have lip color for spring? I will definitely say the nudie category, you know, light pinks, you know, things like that. I really do love those kind of colors on my lips. So the next question is, show us your favorite spring dress. I actually bought this dress from Shaun's Beauty. A nice floral dress. I think I bought it more to the end of summertime, and I only wore it like twice, and I can't wait to get back in that dress, you know, work it out a little bit, show it a little love, and you know, in a little more wear time for the spring and even the summertime. So the next question is, what is your favorite flower? I love petunias. They're so beautiful. Don't even ask me if I have one, because I don't. I am not really good with flowering plants, you know, as far as like taking care of them, but I just have such a love for petunias. They're so gorgeous. So the next question is your favorite spring scarf or accessory. I will say that any type of accessory, I think I really need to have my lips on point. My lips to look nice and, you know, juicy. You know, just always have my lip gloss on hand to keep my lips popping. What trends am I most excited about this year? You know, where it be makeup, fashion, you know, both things like that. As far as now, I would say that I'm not really a trend follower. I'm not the type of person that, you know, kind of like hunts down and look for the latest thing that's out there. I look for things that's really gonna look good on me, because I mean, not every trend and fashion and style is really out there for everyone to take part of. You know, there are certain things that, you know, some people just got to stay away from, and that goes for me. You know, not everything I'm really going to be getting myself into, you know, because everybody is different, you know, whether it comes to certain colors or patterns or, you know, styles, you know, things like that. So yeah, so right about now it's just about me going out there looking for things that's going to work for me, and, you know, things that I like. Yeah. What is your favorite spring candle? I kind of look for anything that has like a nice floral scent, and this is from the Mainstay company. I bought it in Walmart. It's Coral Blossoms. Beautiful. It smells so good. It just smells like a lot of flowers for spring. You know, anything that has floral scents to it, any type of floral candle, I will definitely get it. But this particular one that I got, I hope I can go back and find more, you know. So yeah, anything that has a floral scent, definitely on my list. What is your favorite body spray or perfume for the springtime? And this is so right up my alley because I love fragrances. I have two here that I have been using. This is Victoria's Secret Spring Puppies and Bath and Body Works Mad About You. So gorgeous. They're both floral scents and they're perfect for the season. As you can see, Spring Puppies, well, it definitely falls in this category. As far as perfume, this is Euphoria by Calvin Klein. I've been using this scent for years now. Another great floral scent. This has this really nice aroma of I'm there. You can see the bottle is almost on negative, so I have to replenish on this, but it's just a beautiful fragrance. But I cannot get over these two body sprays. Perfect for the spring and summer. So refreshing, you know, and so clean. What is spring like where you live? Well, I'm in the US and I'm on the East Coast, so spring, all the trees are coming back to life, the leaves are coming back on, there's a lot of buds, the flowers are blooming. There's such a coziness about the atmosphere, you know, the parks are getting nice and lush. Everything just looks so green, because coming out of winter, you know, everything's dark and gray, and it's glad to see a little more color coming back. So spring is really wonderful where I am. What is your favorite thing about spring? My favorite thing about spring spring is just seeing everything come back to life, you know, the flowers, the trees, just to see that nice lush greenery come back again, and also to see more smiles on people's faces, because winter does take a toll on everyone. Oh, it's gray, it's dark, it's drabby, you know, but springtime really does lighten the atmosphere and, you know, make you just feel more alive and shedding those layers. That's another great thing about spring. You know, you could put away the winter jacket and the scarves and the hats and everything like that, and, you know, just feel a little more light within yourself. Are you a spring cleaner? Honestly, I'm a spring cleaner all year round. I'm cleaning in the summertime, I'm cleaning in wintertime. I'm always straightening up. I'm disciplined like that. You know, every little time that I have, you know, I'm always arranging and tidying things up, making sure everything is in its place. And then when you live in the city, because I'm in New York, you want to make sure that, you know, you don't have any kind of clutter going on, because it's so easy, you know, to have things and just get, you know, piled up there if you're not going to be using them or whatever. So yeah, I'm always on top of everything as far as, you know, cleaning and tidying up and straightening up and things like that. So when springtime comes around, I don't have anything really to do. You know, pretty much a spring cleaner all year round. And the last question is, any plans for spring break or any upcoming events or vacations or anything like that? Well, as far as now, with this whole pandemic that's going on in the entire world, everything has been put on pause or canceled. I did have plans on taking a vacation over the summer, but right now that's pretty much on hold, and I'm not sure about how it's going to be for the rest of the year. Everything is pretty much on hold or canceled. So unfortunately, nothing's going on here on my end. So yeah. So we've come to the end of all the questions. Thank you so much, Shaunz, for tagging me. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that bell on your way out to be notified of all my future videos, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.